Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Back to chemistry class. My dear student, I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied carbonization or destructive distillation and learned that how organic compounds are obtained from coals. But today, we will study another important topic, which is synthesis of organic compounds in the laboratory. But here studying this topic will explain that how organic compounds are prepared in the laboratories. So let's understand step by step. Introduction. Earlier it was believed that organic compounds could only be obtained from living organisms, but with scientific progress, chemists learned how to prepare organic compounds artificially. The preparation of organic compounds in the laboratory is called synthesis of organic compounds. Definitions of synthesis of organic compounds: the process by which organic compounds are prepared artificially in the laboratory from simpler substances under controlled condition is called synthesis of organic compounds. Why laboratory synthesis is important? Because to study the properties of organic compounds, to confirm their molecular structure, to produce medicine and chemicals, to reduce dependence on natural sources. Now, methods of synthesis of organic compounds. So, let's discuss and details each methods. The first one is synthesis from inorganic compounds. Organic compounds can be prepared from inorganic substances. Example 1. Preparation of methane reaction. Al4C3 plus 12H2O gave 3CH4 plus 4Al2OH whole taken 3. These reactions proves that organic compounds can be made from inorganic compounds. And the second method is synthesis from other organic compounds. Organic compounds can be prepared by modifying other organic substances. Example 2. Preparation of ethanol from ethene reaction. C2H4 plus H2O gave C2H5OH acidic acid catalyzed. The third one is synthesis by substitution reaction. In this method, one atom or group is replaced by another. Example, preparation of chloroethene reaction. C2H6 plus Cl2 gave C2H5Cl plus HCl. The fourth one is synthesis by addition reaction. Unsaturated compounds react with other substances to form saturated compounds. Example, hydrogenation of ethene reaction. C2H4 plus H2 gave C2H6. Nickel catalyst. The fifth one is synthesis by oxidation reaction. Organic compounds are synthesized by controlled oxidation. Example, oxidation of ethanol to ethanoic acid reaction. C2H5OH plus 2 and 2O gave C3COOH plus H2O. Laboratory apparatus used: first one, test tubes, condenser, heating source, catalyst, and reagents. Significance of laboratory synthesis. First one is helps in drugs manufacturing, useful in research work, conforms chemical reactions, produces pure compounds. Real life applications. In medicines mean aspirin, antibiotics, plastics and polymers, dyes and perfumes, agriculture's chemicals. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on synthesis of organic compounds in the laboratory. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.